Hi, my name is Esteban,
And my name is Emmanuel.
and today we will show you how to make your own boligoma. Well, I have been doing this since I was a child, so technically for me it's easy. However, some people find it difficult.
The reason we are doing this is because we have done it before in classes of chemistry, and we know it's going to work.
Well, we will do two methods, and for the first one we will need glue, borax, glitter, water, and vegetable colorant.
For the other method, we're gonna use cornstarch and dishwasher.
So let's do it. Well, here I have the materials that we will use for the experiment. Here is the colorant, the glitter, the glue, the water, and the borax. The borax, you can find it in a drugstore. And also I have a bowl and a stick. So the first thing that you have to do is to mix the glue and the water. These two needs to be the same amount. I will use 1/2 of the cup for each one. And also in the same process you need to include the glitter and the colorant. In another container, mix 1 cup of water and 1 spoon of borax, and this substance included to the previous one with glue. Finally, it will start becoming more and more steady, so take it out from the bowl and start to knead it. Then you will have your own boligoma.
The first step we have to do is to pour the dish soap into the bowl. And the next step is to pour the cornstarch cornstarch into the soap. Finally, we have to blend the materials with the hands. After mixing the materials for a while, we obtain the boligoma and we start molding it to make it a ball. One disadvantage of this method is that maybe the boligoma doesn't bounce in the surface, but also the advantages that we have like in this method are that one, the materials that we use are like really common, so we can find the cornstarch in the dish soap anytime in our kitchen, and also it's really fun to play with. Well, this is the end of the tutorial of how to do your own boligoma, and well, there are a lot of methods to do this, but we chose to do this too, and that's all.
So we hope you like the video. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Bye.